In 1953, Dr. Friedrich Jungheinrich developed a new forklift, the AMEISE. Today, it's synonymous with an entire field of technology. The restoration of a legend. An AMEISE 55 is being returned to its former glory. But this is no ordinary task. We're in Dresden in the Jungheinrich Used Equipment Center and we'll be working on the restoration of this old forklift. We plan to take it apart, refurbish it and locate any original missing parts so we can put it back together exactly as it was built. In Dresden, refurbishing used machinery is part of the daily work. Used forklifts are restored to the highest standards, the Jungheinrich Jungstars. But restoring a device from the very first years of the company's history, that's a different matter. It's a job for skilled professionals, but first they need to see what they're dealing with. These machines have probably had various modifications over the years, and because we're trying to get it back to its original condition as far as possible, it's helpful to have the original documentation to see what's been changed. If we didn't have the original documents, the whole restoration would be much more difficult. But there are still some unanswered questions. The seat, the controls, and most important, the right color. Replacement parts are hard to come by. You need to remove one of these components. It looks like it's one of the original parts, and then have it analyzed. And do the same with the controls. Over 60 years in operation. Can the valuable components all be salvaged, or could the restoration be over before it's begun? I'd say the overall condition is pretty good. But problems with any single component could threaten the entire project. I expect we'll have one or two nasty surprises. If not when taking it apart, then probably when we're putting it back together. To be continued.